The Food Service Exchange presents
The Revolution range is a celebration of the art of artisan glazing. Using reactive glazes that change in colour and intensity depending on their application, the Revolution glazes are especially formulated to enhance all the nuances experienced in their execution. Applied by hand using a revolving motion, the path the brush travels across each piece is evident in the fired result. The glazed surface of each piece in the range is as different and unique as the artisan that created it. This provides an ideal platform for chefs to showcase their art, no matter what the cuisine style. The contrasting yet neutral colour tones, sandstone and granite, bluestone and jade, blend beautifully together and amplify the quality and skill that goes into chef's creation.